Hello everyone. So I have bought this LS2 ff327 helmet from Boss Riders Chandigarh. I was not getting this particular piece in Bombay, and since I happened to be in Chandigarh and saw that this helmet was there, I purchased it from Boss Riders Chandigarh Mohali. I was pretty impressed with the specs since I needed a light helmet, and this particular helmet is a fiber composite, and let's see if this will do well in all my rides. I have a ride coming up and I thought I needed a light helmet, so I purchased this, and I've got it to Bombay, and we'll do an unboxing, kind of an unboxing. It's not a box though, but they have this nice helmet bag that LS2 provides. You can take it on your travels, on your flight, etc. Let's do the unboxing. This is the LS2 ff327 Challenger Allert titanium silver matte helmet. LS2 has provided this lovely helmet box. Let's see what's in the box. That's the helmet cover and the pin lock which is included for the helmet. Let's keep it aside. Yes, and that's how it looks. It's the helmet cover. Let's do the unboxing. And that's the helmet cover. LS2 helmets. Nice bright helmet cover comes out of the box in the cover, and here goes. This is a medium size helmet. It's a fairly light helmet. It is 1400 grams, and I needed a light helmet for my rides, and this fit in very well. This is a fiber composite helmet, and the pin lock included. That's the Challenger ff327 compatibility. They have some glasses system where you put in your glasses and everything, and let's see what else is in the okay. Oh, that's the cushion for the helmet support, and yes, this is the pin lock. Yes, so yes, this is the ff327 Challenger Allert helmet with the fiber composite, and yes, it has the ISI mark, which a lot of foreign helmets are not been able to get themselves certified, and hence there's a lot of dearth in the Indian market for foreign helmets, since ISI is mandatory. But yeah, this is how the helmet is. These are the vents, flow through vents, open, and that's the exhaust vents, and this is the lock for the visor. Open this, and yeah, they have the this is an emergency release mechanism as well here. So yes, 5-year warranty. You have to register on the LS2 website and avail this warranty if at all. They have these recessed recesses for the speakers, chin lip. Supposed to keep all the noises out at bay. Let's peel it. Peeling. Very, very satisfying peeling, yes. The pin lock, which is end to end, and yes, made in Belgium. So let's see with how this goes on my rides. I was looking for a light helmet, and this seems to have ticked all the marks, and we'll see how the ride goes.